Hi everyone. Now I'm still adding touches. Now I've put this on, which is it's like a canopy. Oh, I use it as a canopy, but it's I think it's for like roofing, and you put that as an edging, as a by the gutter or whatever. But I've used it for this, and I'm painting it over. I'm continuing to colour in the walls and that. It's nowhere near finished yet. There's a lot of work to do to it, but I just thought I'll let you come along. I might speed this up as well in a minute, because it is tedious work, because I'm going to do these black and red, and I think I definitely will take this window out and just put like a doors on it with what do they call, winch of some sort for flower bags. Do you know what I mean? Oops, sorry. Like I say, these sort of jobs can be really tedious but necessary if you want to get that natural look. And I'm going to also put some on the windows at the sides as well. I want it to look really, really as realistic as possible. And I try and get all my miniatures. What I try and do is, if I was going to Italy and seeing a house like this, then this is how I would expect it to look. I have looked online to, you know, might need to go over those, but I have looked online to see what their houses are like, and mills and whatever, and it's near enough. Oops, I'm a little bit too much on that, mate. I don't want that to drip. So even though this is a one layer, I may need to go over and do another layer. It takes time. I had to also cut into, see, for it to sit over this. Now I managed to get hold of, for my own garden, 2 really big barrels, and well, my son managed to get them for me, and Raymond's going to turn them today into seats, to garden seats. So I will show you that afterwards. So far we've got the new decking up, a shed, so he can stay off work all he wants, if he's going to make him do the jobs that need doing. A garden should have been completed 2 years ago. They're like jobs you never get round to doing. He's had no choice really this time, because he's bored. He's got no to do, bless him. But he's done a good job. So we've got the decking down outside the back door. I've decking all along the back of the door, back of the garden. He's going to paint that this week. You know, refresh it. It all needs doing. My daughter had that put in. Well, my son built it. Yeah, it needs a bit of white, make it stand out. Again, they're just all acrylic paints that I'm using. Maybe I'm just going to test it. It could be all wrong. This won't stay this white because it needs darkening down. So I'm going to get a little bit of brown. Just, you know, like a dirty white. I can go over all of them. I'm not fussed. I don't know. No. I don't know. I don't feel like the red's doing it any good. Now it's the black. I need to go over that in white. Yeah, it just didn't seem right. I'm not fussed about going over the red, because I have to go over it again. Like that better. I can titivate it all up later. Right, okay, so I'm going to have to do it in white. I think that'll do for now on them two. And then I've just got to do a little bit of brown that I've just spotted. Right there. Right, so we're going to this one. Now, I'm going to use it from here, I think, because that needs... Yeah, no, I've got some there. I thought that had dried up, actually. Right, it just shows you, doesn't it? The police roaming the streets, which we've not seen on the beat for a long time, and telling Raymond he's left his car window open. So, at least they're doing something. Yeah, they're making sure people are off the streets, you see. Because we've had some people hanging about, like neighbours, having other neighbours coming in from other streets for the teenagers I'm on about. I've told you that before. Like, they did it yesterday, but then today. But we've never had police on the beat for a long time. Saying the kids of today won't have known anything like this, where we were brought up with police on the beat. You know, we were used to having the police about, but today, the kids today don't. They have no idea, have they? Really, let's be honest. No idea. Just let that dry off a little bit. I'm quite thrilled with that. Quite thrilled. I've got to take this off, which hopefully I can get off. That's it. Yeah, I'm going to put a winch in there. I need to put a sack, which I'm going to make next, I think. Yeah. You know what I'm going to use to make a sack? Some of this white. I think I'm going to do it out of that. So, I might need to dry a bit of this. Yeah, I'm going to need to dry it. So I want more than one anyway. Let me see. So we need it that colour, that's crinkled. And then now, let me just see, because what I have. Right, so we've got that far. Not sure if you can see that. Got the little canopies on. Discoloured this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in some of this brickwork. And I'm going to do that before I finish the walls. And I'm going to put it on with glossy accents to make sure that it sticks well. So I'm going to come back when I've done that and share that with you.